How's it, guys? What's up? Yo, hey, I had a fucking too many drinks last night, let me tell you. Hey, I feel like shit. But, lucky for you, I got a hangover cure. So, we are going to make a quick berry smoothie and drink it. Alright, so what you need, we're going to hit it quick sticks. So you just need some mixed berries, some honey, some yogurt, and a seriously extremely powerful blending machine. Alright, so what you need to do is get your berries, some honey, a mixing container, like this. Then I use one of these scoops I got from, oh, there's one there. Ha! Woo! That one's too big anyway. You need to take 2 scoops of your berries. You must be careful of these ones here. I don't know what the fuck they are, but let me tell you, these fucking things, they bitter. They're fucking terrible. They're nice, but they're not nice, you know what I mean? And these ones here. See? Hey, these here, hey, they're bitter. They're as bitter as your ex-girlfriend's mother's attitude towards you. That's fucking bitter. So, let me tell you that's fucking bitter. So what you need to do, because you know your mother's attitude towards you is sweet. It's a sweet attitude. So you got to jam some honey. Honey to fuck up the bitter. Easy pickings. Ooh, and then you need some yogurt. I got this one here, double cream, bruh. Hey, man, I ain't got time to fucking play games here. So, you do that. Open up your yogurt like that. Where's the fucking... Take a spoon like this here. Oopa. That's the babalas, bruh. That's a fucking babalas, you know. Take fucking put the mother inside there. Don't forget, hey, me, I got a hangover, but I'm still smiling. You can see. You want this thing to come out bitter, you must make it with a bad attitude. Bad vibe, bad food. Good mood, good food. Even the cat wants some. So you just jam it in here like this here. Right. I'm busy here. Hey, when I start getting going like this here, all the pussy, they just want to get involved. ain't got time for that. Me, I'm busy. Yeah. Put your honey. Put, bruh. Don't be shy. Oh, I even eat it now like this, yeah. That, hey, heavy that, bro. That, I don't know what I was going to say. I'm going to say fucking blender thing. Like this, yeah. And nothing happened. So, that means either you're a wanker. Well, I haven't done something right. I think it's probably you're a wanker. So, no, I'm kidding. You're a buddy. Now, what you need to do, you need to add some milk. You even got milk here, right? Yeah, we got. But fucking milk is frozen. Fucked. Lucky we got one backup. So just put a little bit. Put, bro, put. Don't be shy. Put. Like this, yeah. Right. Now we can buy. Yeah. Don't look at me, bruh. Oh my god. That's really good. Wow, that's I think one of the best ones I made so far. So, what you can do, I'm just saying 1 or 2 sips now. And later, I'm going to have some more. Okay. And we'll come back and do a banana one next time when I got another hangover. Alright. Enjoy. Don't forget, you must share this video, bruh. If you smoke it. If you don't share, I won't show you how to make a banana smoothie. Alright. Lovely.